Hey everyone, I hope that you're doing well. Welcome to another video. Today's video is by far the shortest video that I've posted to date. And I was like literally not gonna post a video this week. I've been super busy, not just with life, but with preparing or editing some videos for a couple of new series that I'm gonna be bringing to this channel. So I wasn't gonna post anything, and I thought, you know what? I have so many pictures from Italy that I've never shared. I was there from September to December of last year, the infamous 2020. And while I was there, I don't know, I feel like I made some of my best and strongest work with this camera. This is the X100 original. Anytime that I was in a situation where I was with friends or family, this camera was always with me. In today's episode, I figured that I would share with you a quick black and white slideshow from an outing that I did. I did not go out to take pictures. In fact, most of my Daily Snap episodes are episodes where I did not intend to go out to make pictures. I was out living life, but I had a camera with me, and I think that's what I'm trying to convey in today's video, just like in a lot of the videos, is that I think it's important as photographers, or at least I would like to encourage people to, you know, always have a camera with you, whether it's your iPhone or whatever camera you have available. For me, it happened to be the X100 on this particular occasion. So anyways, as far as today's pictures, I was staying in the countryside when I was in Italy, and I was about a 20-minute drive from a city called Vercelli, and my Italian family said, listen, we're going to Vercelli to run some errands. Do you want to come? I said yes. I did not plan on making pictures, and I basically went with them from store to store. I just went with them as they ran their errands. And while I was there, there was an outdoor market taking place. It takes place once a week, and I caught the tail end of it. And anytime that I would see something interesting, I would just take out the camera and I would just focus, recompose, and shoot. And that's pretty much it. There's something very special about this camera. And when I shoot with this camera, to me, this is the closest thing I've gotten to the experience of shooting film. Since coming back from Italy, I've acquired the X100F, and I absolutely love this camera. It's become a daily driver, but it's a different experience. It's not the same experience as the X100 original. But with no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and play these pictures. I hope that you enjoy them and that it inspires you to carry a camera with you to shoot, to document your life. And I will see you in next week's episode. Take care, and I will see you then.